This is the Tecno Spark 8C, a model in Tecno's budget-friendly Spark 8 series. The design of this 8C model is like the Spark 8 and so much like the Spark Go 2022, especially on the rear camera module. For about $120 which is like 66,000 naira in Nigeria, you are getting a screen refreshing at 90 Hz, 5000 mAh battery, 30 megapixel main camera, DTS stereo sound effect, and 64 gigs of storage space and 3 gigs of RAM. The interesting part is that you can expand both the internal storage memory and RAM, which means since this variant came with 3 gigs of RAM, I can expand it to like 6 gigs of RAM if I want. This is what Tecno is calling memory fusion, and we'll see about that in a moment. Also guys, it's Victor here again. I make videos about tech products. I also share tips and tricks along the way on this channel to help you use your device or tech more efficiently. If any of this interests you, consider subscribing and ringing the bell to be notified whenever I put up another video like this one. In this video, we will unbox and quickly review this new Tecno Spark 8C. I am curious to see how there is a 90 Hz refresh rate on this device. I mean, this is a sub $120 phone and it comes with a screen refreshing at 90 Hz. I am also excited to check out the memory fusion thing that will allow you to expand or extend the RAM size from 3 gig, which is what comes with this variant, to about 6 gig. Let's take a look. First, I would like to note that the Spark 8C or the Spark series packaging is the best in Tecno's budget lineup. There is something about the box size and color that suggests that it's a premium phone when it is actually not. When we open the orange colored short box, we are greeted by the Spark 8C. There is also a soft TPU case in the next compartment to protect the gadget, and it is a good fit for the device. Also, all of the openings on the TPU case are in the right places. There is a 12-month warranty sticker in the box, as well as a micro USB cable and a pair of wired earphones. In addition, there is a 10-watt charging brick in the box and a SIM ejection tool. I uploaded a full ASMR unboxing video to TikTok, so please check the description for the link to the video on TikTok for the full unboxing experience of this Spark 8C. Remember to click the follow button. As previously stated, the design and body of the Tecno Spark 8C and the Tecno Spark Go 2022 are nearly identical. It has a glass front, a plastic frame, and a plastic back with the words "Stop at Nothing." The power and volume buttons are located on the upper right corner. The SIM card slot is on the left and it can accept 2 nano SIM cards as well as a memory card for storage memory expansion. You can also expand the RAM on this phone, which we will discuss shortly. There's a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB port, and the loudspeaker grill, all at the bottom. On the top, there is nothing. The rear camera module houses 2 cameras, a main 13 megapixel camera and a QVGA camera with a dual LED flash. It also has a fingerprint sensor for data security as well as proximity, accelerometer, and ambient light sensors. The Tecno Spark 8C has a 6.6 inches water drop IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. It also has a refresh rate of 90 Hz, which is relatively rare at this price point. I can't even lie. When it comes to performance, the Tecno Spark 8C is arguably one of the best options at this price point of $120. The Unisub Tiger TC06 chipset, which is an octa-core processor with a 12nm process technology, is used in the Spark 8C. The Tecno Spark 8C will provide a smooth experience for your video streaming, gaming, and multitasking needs when combined with a 90 Hz refresh rate, 64 gigs of expandable storage space, and 3 gigs RAM that is also expandable to up to 6 gigs. Let's talk about the expandable RAM for a moment. The small RAM that most of these budget smartphones come with is one of the major roadblocks for people looking for low-cost devices. You would agree with me. This problem has been addressed with the Tecno Spark 8C while keeping the phone affordable. Tecno's memory fusion technology allows the Spark 8C's RAM to be expanded from 3GB to 6GB. Now, what exactly is memory fusion? Simply put, the memory fusion feature allows you to expand your device's RAM, that's the random access memory, which is responsible for your smartphone's ability to multitask or run multiple apps smoothly at the same time, as well as quickly retrieve frequently accessed files and apps. Memory fusion allows you to increase the RAM on your Spark HC by up to 100%. That is going from 3 gigs to 6 gigs. And the process of activating this memory fusion is simple. Compared to a 3GB phone without memory fusion, a 3GB RAM phone with memory fusion, specifically the 3GB plus 64GB Spark HE that I have, saw a significant increase in boot up speed, multitasking, and improvement in the time it takes to load frequently used apps. Memory fusion can be enabled through the Settings app. On the Spark HC, memory fusion technology allows for expansion of 1GB, 2GB, or 3GB. Now, to enable memory fusion on the Spark HC, you must download and install 2 OTA update versions. However, if you don't receive any notifications, you can check for updates in System Updates in the smartphone settings. The memory fusion function is included in the version 034 update, so you must first download and install version 032, after which the update version 034 will be available for download and installation. The Tecno Spark HC features a non-removable 5000 mAh long-lasting battery with power saving and super boost technology, as well as iOS 7.6 operating system based on Android 11. It is available in 4 colors. So aside from this magnet black that I have, there is also turquoise cyan, iris purple, and diamond gray. This device is now available in the market and you can pick one or buy it directly from Tecno's website. Yes, Tecno now sell their device on their website. The Spark HC costs 66,000 naira for the 64 plus 3 gigs model and 59,500 naira for the 64 plus 2 gigs model in Nigeria. When you purchase this device from Tecno's website, you receive a gift box. The link to the Tecno website where you can purchase this device is in the description. So there you have it, guys, my unboxing and first impression of the Tecno Spark HC, a budget phone with a 90Hz refresh screen, 64 gigs of storage capacity, and 3 gigs of RAM that can be upgraded to 6GB. What do you think about memory fusion? Do you think it's a gimmick or it actually works? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, watch this video here or watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, it helps the channel grow. Thank you for watching and I will see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.